Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating a shoe website design using HTML, and JavaScript involves several key steps. First, plan the website structure, including essential pages like the home page, product listings, and contact information. Use HTML to create the basic layout, incorporating elements like headers, footers, navigation menus, and product sections. Next, apply the style of the website, ensuring it is visually appealing and aligns with the brand identity. This includes selecting color schemes, fonts, and layout designs that enhance user experience. Responsive design is crucial, so use media queries to ensure the site looks good on various devices. Finally, enhance interactivity with JavaScript. This can involve implementing features like image sliders, product filters, and dynamic content loading. Testing across different browsers and devices is essential to ensure functionality and aesthetics are consistent. Regular updates and maintenance will keep the website relevant and user-friendly.